Tired of a cluttered kitchen and complex cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is the all-in-one solution that will completely transform your meal prep. This incredible 9-in-1 pressure cooker combines a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté, and more into one sleek appliance, saving you precious counter space and time. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can effortlessly make perfect chili, soup, poultry, or even cakes at the touch of a button, taking all the guesswork out of cooking. What truly makes it special is how it simplifies healthy eating. Imagine restaurant-quality meals ready in a fraction of the time with minimal effort. The durable stainless steel inner pot ensures even cooking is super easy to clean and is designed for years of reliable, healthy use. For anyone looking for the best kitchen appliance to truly streamline their daily routine, this Instant Pot is an unparalleled choice. If you're considering purchasing and want to simplify your life, find the direct link to the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon in our description box below. Click that link to see current deals and join countless happy home cooks who've upgraded their kitchen. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is genuinely the ultimate kitchen essential for 2025, making it our strongest recommendation for effortless, delicious meals.